like ridgegourd, bittergourd, jasmine, etc. have weak stems and usually grow on trellis trees, ground or with any other support. They are known as climbers creepers. This is shrubs. In plants like Nurium, rose, etc. Multiplied stems areas from the base ground. These are called shrubs. This is a tree. The plants like tamarind, peepal, mango, etc. spread over a vast area. They are big in size. These are called trees. Uses of trees. I promote rainfalls. I give fertility to the land. I take in 660 kg of carbon dioxide. I always give oxygen sufficient to 4 people. I give food and medicines worth crores of rupees. I give very valuable oxygen. I protect soil from erosion. Thank you all. Parts of the plant: flower, leaves, fruits, stem, roots. Various leaves: neem, guava, mango, coriander, hibiscus, peepal, lotus, rose, bamboo. Taro, red fig, pear, banana. Thank you all.